You can introduce yourself.
My name is Sallee.
So Sallee, you want to just tell us why you came to Prax Chiropractic?
Well, actually, I discovered your office mostly because I was looking for treatment for my daughter's migraines, and I watched the video on brain-based therapy, as well as what it does for the musculoskeletal system, which is what I particularly have problems with. I have herniated discs in my neck. I had some functional scoliosis in my thoracic area, and then I've had some SI problems over the years.
Great. And so how long have you been coming in to see Dr. Prax?
I guess about 2 months now. Okay.
And what kind of things have you noticed? He was just telling me about some dizziness and vertigo too.
Right. I have this situation where if I lay on my stomach and prop myself on my elbows, I instantly become dizzy, lightheaded, feel like I'm going to pass out. And conventional medicine really could find no reason for it or treatment for it other than just don't lay in that position. So I have it for about 10 years now. And while I was here getting adjustments, I mentioned this to Brian, and he said, well, let's see if we can do a couple of maneuvers. So he did the epiles, and he did some other neck maneuvers over the last few times, as well as massage therapy. And now I absolutely can be in that position for extended periods of time with zero symptom.
Wow, that's great.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Yeah. I mean, I had been to neurologists, I've had PET scans or CT scans, and they could find nothing to determine why I had this. And,
right.
So it's been really interesting that Brian's and your therapies have been so successful.
Yeah, and just 2 treatments, it sounds like. That's
Mm-hmm.
great. So we hope to maintain that. Is there anything else you want to share as far as other symptoms that you came in for and how you're doing with those? Are they progressing?
Yes. My lower back is kind of, it's just an ongoing battle. I play a lot of tennis. I actually hadn't played in about 6 months just because I was having so many back and shoulder issues. But my range of motion has increased significantly. So I'm exercising again. I just started playing tennis 2 weeks ago, and I was being a successful result on the tennis court means that I don't have any problems afterwards, and I didn't have any problems afterwards other than just some awakening of the muscle, so a little soreness. But as far as like my lower back and my neck, and particularly my thoracic and my shoulder, I didn't have any of the symptoms that I had stopped tennis from playing.
Great. Put it to the test. That's wonderful. Anything else you'd like to add about the office, your experiences here, or anything?
Oh, yeah, everybody's been really, really supportive. Jeff and Alex are great schedulers and very, very helpful with the insurance. Alex has been wonderful at explaining how the decompression works, because I've had that done on my neck as well. Yeah, overall, it's just been terrific.
Great. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.